now, of course, everything is about Japan. So come on now, guys. I need 10 participants. Sige po, come on. Sir, ma'am, please join us here on stage. I need 10 participants. You never know, you might win a special prize. Of course, the mechanics is very easy. It's basically just an elimination game, so one will be left out for the grand winner. Okay, I still need more. I only have 3 on stage. Come on, tita. Come on po. Sige po, join us here. I need 10 participants for this game. Very easy. Just a yes or no. Ay, tita, hello. She's there from yesterday. Yes, and congratulations. Join the game again? Come on! Of course! Nako, definitely si tita nakabook na ng flight niyan. She'll be leaving soon, I believe. Come on, tita, join us here. So please go and check out our booth attractions. It's a different questions now. It's a different question. Yes. Okay, let's see. Yes, thank you, tita. Thank you po. Alright, so how many are we already? Well, yes, it's another set of new questions about Japan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10, so we're ready. Now face the screen for our first question. The average duration of the internet connection by Japanese people is shorter than any other countries. On your right is yes, on your left is no. Go! Of course, tita, you may join. Come on, come on. What is the answer, tita? Average duration of their internet connection. Naghanap ng kakao si tita. Sige, yes? Oh, okay, I'm giving you 3 more seconds here. 3, 2, 1, stop! Alright, final answer is, and the answer is, yes! Thank you guys for joining. The average duration of using the internet connection is only an hour in Japan. Do you believe that? Maybe it's unexpectedly shorter than you imagined. While the Philippines records the longest average duration of using the internet connection of around 6 hours. So the difference between the Philippines and Japan is around 5 hours. Alright, stay in the middle, stay in the middle. Alright, next question, please. Shiroi Koibito is a kind of language cookies, white chocolate which is famous for tourists as souvenir from Hokkaido. Inside its factory, visitors can bake their own Shiroi Koibito cookies and you can get it as a souvenir. So is this yes or no? Just make a wild guess. Yes or no? Yes or no? Break it to me gently, and the correct answer is yes! At their cookie craft studio at Sapporo City, Hokkaido, visitors can bake their own Shiroi Koibito cookies. So that is a good destination to go to in Japan. You can make your own. Thank you for joining. Stay in the middle. Wow, ang galing ni tita, ha? Very competitive. Next question, please. The word koidaure means keep on enjoying and eating without thinking of one's budget, is traditionally said as the characteristic of people of Osaka because there are many delicious foods there. Among delicious foods in Osaka is the original takoyaki. Is this yes or no? And I believe it's becoming the Filipinos' favorite as well. Wow! I'm giving... Okay. Is that your final answer, tita? Yes? The correct answer is? Yes! The origin of takoyaki is in Osaka. It is also famous in the Philippines nowadays. Yes, that's right. Next question, please. The population of Japan is less than 100 million. Go! Is that a yes or no? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wow! Sige. Akala ko mag-move si Kuya. Okay, sige. 2, 4. Correct answer is? No! The population of Japan is about 127.2 million. Thank you for joining. All right. Wow! Nice to hear. Last 4. All right. Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle, guys. Come on. Before I show our next question, stay in the middle. All right. Next question, please. There are various Disneyland in Asian countries, but Disney Sea is only in Japan. Is this yes or no? Disney Sea, is that only in Japan? Tita? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Final answer? Yes or no? Yes! As Disney Sea is only in Japan, and many Filipino tourists visit this theme park of sea when they go to Japan. So be sure to check this out as well. Disney Sea. Next question, please. All right, question number 6. This time you have to make it quick, ha? I'll be counting to 5 so that you can choose yes or no right away. The total number of islands in Japanese territory is less than 6,000. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Final answer? Yes is? Yes, it's correct. No, Japan has 6,852 islands, and there are numerous small islands in the Japanese territory. Okay, stay in the middle. Ganitong gagawin natin, ha? The first two na makakapunta dun sa correct answer. Alright? So you have to be quick. Alright. For our 7th question, flash it on the screen. The meaning of konnichiwa in Japanese is the same as magandang tanghali. Go! Alright, let's see if the first 2 get the correct answer. Konnichiwa is yes. Thank you po for joining. Thank you po, Tita. We're going to break it now. Thank you. You have to be quick. Opo. Thank you for joining. Konnichiwa is a basic Japanese greeting for daytime. And in morning, you please say Ohio. And for night, konbawa. The greetings are different according to the time. Okay. So we have 2 more questions left. Let's see. Flash it on the screen. Roppongi is the area where visitors can enjoy most of Japanese anime and cartoons. I'm still giving you a chance. Number 8 pa tayo. Flash it on the screen. No! It's alright. I'm still giving you another chance. But of course, Roppongi, but in Akihabara area. So please try to visit Akihabara area at the chance of visiting to Tokyo. There you can really feel what cool Japan tagline means. Okay, so again, next question please. Some of the automatic vending machines in Japan are also working as an access points of free Wi-Fi connection. Ang bilis talaga. Alright, the correct answer is yes. It's not so popular, but such type of auto vending machines are now increasing for a few years. Alright, so this is it. Stay in the middle. So the first one to go to the correct answer will be the grand winner. Alright, so let's see. Yes, one last question. This is it. Flash it on the screen. There is a Japanese folktale which is similar to ang pagong at ang matching. How pagong made a fool of matching, is it yes or no? Final answer? Wala na mag-move? Yes talaga, yes na yes. And the correct answer is yes. In the Filipino folktale, ang pagong at ang matching, a monkey and a turtle fights for banana tree, while in Japanese folktale, Sarukani Gassen, a money in a crowd fights for a permission for the tree. Alright, so congratulations for the both of you. So they will do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Tita, by the way, is our winner from yesterday. And I'm pretty sure, Tita, you have booked a flight already, right? Or you have made your itinerary already. Yes, she did. So please, visit our booth. Tito, Tita, rock, paper, scissors. Come on. So who will be the winner? Because we only have one prize. Tita, you know. Alright. Just do the rock, paper, scissors for the grand winner. Jack and Poy. Okay, Jack and Poy. Yan. Pa? It's okay. Congratulations. Can you give it to na lang? Yes, of course. Thank you so much, Tita. And congratulations for Tito for joining the game and for all the participants as well who have joined our game. Congratulations once again. So it's time again to close our presentation for this time. At 2:45 p.m., we are going to have another presentation from one of our co-exhibitors. So for now, once again, please visit our winter fashion photo booth, our information counter, and to learn more, of course, about Japan. So see you in a short while. Arigatou gozaimasu.